Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's Des here at Grok Trade on Tuesday, June 11th, 2013. I'd like to welcome Mark the Meerkat Suffering back in the hunt. He just did a video on QCore, a fantastic trade both long and short, shown in detail on his 3.5 minute video. So make sure you go to the stock section and watch his video. Stocks take a nosedive, and I want to share something very important to you. This is a very important video, worthy of you sharing with your other colleagues. S&P down over 1%, Dow down 0.76%, NASDAQ off by more than 1%, Russell's off by 1.13%. Banks off by 1.13% also. VIX up a whopping 10+%, now over 17. Gold off by 0.5%, silver off by over 1.1%, and you have the crude oil off by 0.6%, US dollar down 0.9%, and the market still take one on the chin. And the trend, though, ends in bullish territory at the 0.85 mark. Taking a look here, though, at the markets. The S&P daily was in a symmetrical triangle. Last Thursday, we had a breakout. Friday, we stalled out. Or Monday, yesterday, we stalled out. Friday, we went over. So Friday, we went over. We stalled out yesterday, Monday, and then today we come down. I said if we could not continue to stay above and we drop, it could be a nasty red candlestick, and a lot of them will drop down to the low. This one did not do that, but it's a nasty little broad sell-off here in the major indices. So with this sell-off that we've incurred today and on some volume, this here is a death hook. It's going to get squirrely and fast. Take a look here at the weekly. Right now for the weekly, so far, we are on the wrong side of that trend line. This is a sell signal, but it's unconfirmed. So if you start to sell short right now, you could probably get in at a really good price. But know that this thing could blow up in your face. So a lot of money, the volume was flowing into stocks that were going higher. Keep that in mind. So even though there were more stocks being sold, those that were being purchased, it was being purchased on big volume. Something to think about. If I go here to the spider, you'll see on the daily a nice little uptick from yesterday on volume. It's not the best of volume, but it's still decent volume. And take a look here at gold. You'll see that we had a gap down, run up, and we're finding support right here at this 132.55 area. So this could be a low, gang. So be watching that area as a potential bottom, and we could start to go higher from here. In silver, same thing. We're down here at a real low area. I think it'd be hard to break down from there, but if it does, it could be a shorting opportunity, or a buy opportunity if it starts to make a nice rally from this point. Google had a nice pop, but is pulling back ever so slightly now below the 20-day moving average, and Apple here still getting caught between the 20 and the 50-day moving average. This is where you will see a significant move one direction or the other. Anytime you get price action starting to get constricted between moving averages like we're seeing right here, be watching for a significant move. And then you have Facebook, a nice gap up on Monday, a little pullback here. So as long as we can stay above this trend line right here, the $24 mark, that should be okay. So again, a reminder, go see Mark's video, and it's good to have you back, Mark. Take care, safe trading to all of you out there.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Elizon, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's
a much, much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, it took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.